Hi, I'm Dan Evans with Silver Spring Networks. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of the up-and-coming smart city applications that we hear a lot about after street lighting is pollution sensing or environmental sensors. So what we're demonstrating here is essentially how an air pollution sensor, in this case something that picks up particulate matter in the air, can be connected to this Silver Spring network. So in the new standard of photocells and the control nodes, there's two extra pins referred to as pin 6 and 7 that haven't been really allocated for particularly used for lighting. So Silver Spring is leveraging those along with partner devices to connect the devices, the sensors, to those pins and enable data to be collected. So essentially what we've got here is this pollution sensor is wired into the pole, to the node on the top of the pole, and using the extra two pins that's here in the photocell, it comes in to the socket and then connecting on the pads here on the photocell, and then the Silver Spring node is inside. So from a connectivity perspective, that's how we enable connectivity for the pollution sensor to get to the Silver Spring node. Once it's on the node, then the software in the back office can collect the information. So basically, if you come over here, this is an example of how streetlight vision, the streetlight control system, we've expanded to do more to include smart city applications. So you can see here from a graphing perspective, basically, when we put particulate in the air, and we've been using some powder. Basically, you see a spike of the particulate numbers, and then it trails off over time as the sensor is measuring constantly. So again, an example where beyond street lighting, you can tie in additional sensors, in this case environmental sensors, gather the data, and then export the data, make it available for other analytics as you choose.